We're at 934 South 1st Street on the property of Joshua Joseph, doing a repairability test on this shingle right here on a slope that insurance is already paid for. So in order to replace this shingle, we must take out the row of nails in this row of shingles and in this row. And that means we would have to unseal this shingle, basically all these tabs just to replace this one shingle. So oftentimes that causes more damage, and we're going to simulate this repair by lifting this up 3 times perpendicular to the roof. This is a BT test fail. It creased very clearly along the entire top of the shingle, meaning that this is non-repairable.